Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma hak arpu etrik jeliau arhajar arpu ulalit banjurib ya kishnong ki badan harilum garo kiblasha akta ajur na kejengwan linshop ki bor kamariang. Kamtam habagi surok bagi jingkieng kilasha penjulor lut. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulalit jengok dalagi jong ki kemat ya katahan dalu ha West Garo Hills bat syam bagi surok kilasha penjulor bat santeli ki jingkieng kilasha penjulor no hagi bor kamariang. Bat kania kelependeko ya kalit kawan jong kipat ba. Menteri Rangba uloong baka sorkar kanele kat bala banai ke jingerap bala betha ekatanat PWD bagan marmot no mardor ke jingkieng kenang bagi pat ba kenyo bandet nakwi ke shnong shkawai pat ha kani kesngi Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulalumru ke jingilang ha bak mara ha ka bakliatai bat kemi ibnia ke jinglong jengman jong ke jingslei ha South Garo Hills bat ke jinglong jengman jong ki surok ke jingthut jong ke boarding electric bat ke network jong ki mobile phone. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bagi surok bat ke boarding elektrik kidi geblas akta ajur na kejengwalan shop ki bor kamariang hakaleng ke South Garo Hills ban nakaliang ketenat PWD bat ke MEECL kidang ya cekmat ban maramot iki surok bat ke boarding elektrik bat ke sorkar kan hele aru ban pentikna bagi marba mardi bat kiwe ki jingdon kam bagi ban poi shkeleng ki distrik kam tam shkipat ba ki basham lanot ha kini ki sauski ki belalej ka surok ba National Highway ban repuar kelasya penjulor bat kipat ba iklado bandet nakawe kejakas kwe pat bat kani kelak ta ajur ya ki saupo hajar ngut kinong song snong kani kathan nagliang ki he officer sarkar kila pentip bru ha kejingelang ba kisipai Air Force hak arpu etrik ujileu arhajar arpuar kila penpoi ki marba mardi bat kiwe kejingerap na kebenta kipat ba ha kathan Mahesh Khola.
We are in Dalu area today. And again, because of heavy rains, there has been a lot of damage. But here, mostly the damage has been to the roads and infrastructure. As you can see, bridges like these have been washed out, and now there's a disconnectivity between villages. And so we have a huge challenge now to bring that back. So we have just come here with the Honorable MLA and other officials from PWD and other departments and the Deputy Commissioner and officials to see the situation, monitor it, and to immediately rectify it so that we can bring back the entire life to normalcy out here. So we will do what we can, and we have urged PWD to take immediate action so that the bridge can be restored at the earliest, so that people can have the necessary connectivity in this particular route.